Your computer has not one, but several kinds of memory, and they each play a very different role. In this video, we will find out why, using a simple everyday analogy. Memory comes in layers, a trade-off at every step. Registers are instant but tiny. Cache is bigger and a little slower. RAM is bigger still. Disk holds everything, but is slow, yet it alone remembers when the power goes off. Think of it like a chef's kitchen. The chef's hands are the fastest, but hold almost nothing. The counter holds today's ingredients. The pantry holds everything else. Each layer trades speed for size. Picture a ladder from fastest to slowest. At the very top, registers inside the CPU, incredibly quick but tiny. Then cache, then RAM, then your hard drive or SSD, and finally the cloud, slowest but holding the most. RAM is like your desk, fast to grab anything on it, but the moment you go home and the lights go out, everything vanishes. Storage is your filing cabinet, slow to dig through, but your files are safe until you choose to delete them. When you tap a photo, it moves from slow storage into fast RAM, and then tiny pieces zoom into the CPU's registers to be processed. Each layer hands the data to the faster one above it. That teamwork is what makes it feel instant. This is not just a computer thing. Your own brain keeps the last few seconds of conversation instantly ready, but stores last year's memories deeper and slower. Smartphones, libraries, cloud drives, they all follow the same pattern, fast and small, or slow and large. Every computer balances speed, size and cost by using a hierarchy of memory, from tiny fast registers to vast slow storage. They all work together so you never have to wait. Next, we zoom inside the CPU to watch it fetch and execute instructions.